what's one thing manufacturing ignore until it's too late and ends up costing them the most in motion control?
I would say, since it is a complex task, to ignore asking questions. So reaching out to the manufacturer, so trying to solve problems on themselves and then not coming to us for help. At Advanced Motion Controls, we pride ourselves in having excellent support. So we prefer that they ask us, and then we'll have solutions. A lot of times we've already seen the application from other places, similar applications. So we already know ways to solve problems, or even if it's a similar application but in a different industry, we may already know how to do something and then offer the help to them. So yeah. And the other thing that people ignore is they might have a setup where they do a prototype and they don't fully test it. They don't test all the things that they're going to have in the actual use. And if it's not tested, then it comes up later, like, oh, it didn't work to do this. Well, maybe because they didn't fully test it. So that's another thing.
Thank you for that. And I think I've seen something on one of your display here that close to 50% of your employees are degreed engineers. So a lot of support there to
absolutely
for
yes.
the customers.
We have so many degreed engineers from mechanical to electrical. If you're calling us, chances are you're talking to an engineer. Other than maybe the receptionist, yeah, because we have a lot of engineers.